Good morning to my dear students. Today we will learn changing mouse setting. To change the mouse setting, you have to click on the start button, then go to the control panel. After clicking on the control panel, you will get here different setting. Then you have to click on the hardware and sound setting. In that you will get device and printer option. And device and printer setting is there. In that you have to click on the mouse. Now you can see your mouse dialog box property. Mouse property dialog box is here. Now you can see buttons is a default tab. Always you will get your tab on the buttons tab. Now first is the buttons tab. You will get here three options: button configuration, double click speed and click lock. Now you can see here, this is the option is for select this checkbox to make the button on the right, the one use the primary function. Now it is, you can change from here left-handed and right-handed mouse. Means I want here left mouse button it is and right mouse button it is. That's why now I selected here this. You can change, blue will go that side in this way. Now it is left button and it is right button. You can turn. In this way you can change the mouse action. Next is the double click speed. You can see, slide this to increase or decrease the double click speed from here. In this way you can change the double click speed. Next, turn on click lock. This is option for the enable you to highlight or drag without holding the mouse. In this way these are the option in the buttons tab. Next is the pointer tab. Okay. In a pointer tab you can see mouse property dialog box. In a pointer tab you will get here scheme option, and in that different options are there. You can change from here mouse pointer. Your mouse pointer will look like this if you will apply this scheme. Different style of mouse pointers are here. Working background. In this way you can change style of the mouse. See, if you will apply, then you will get your mouse pointer like this. Now it is the normal select. This mouse pointer help select. For helping, you will get your mouse pointer like this. Working in background, you can see like this. Busy, if you are busy in computer, you will get your mouse like this. Then this is for selection, this is for text select, this is for handwriting, unavailable, move, alternate select. Like these options are here already in a textbook is available. This option is used for when your mouse is busy, or if you are doing something for selection, if you are typing text, that time you will get like this option on the monitor. Next tab is the mouse pointer option. Okay, in a pointer option you can see motion. In a motion you can move your speed of the pointer. In this way you can change the motion of the mouse pointer. Next is the visibility. In a visibility, display pointer trailers, you can see here it under the visibility option. If you want to see a trail of the pointer when you move your mouse, means trail means a series of mark. Suppose you will click here, you can see your mouse now. In this way you will get your mouse. if you select this option. It is marking option of the mouse. And if you will hide the pointer while typing, if you will click on the hide the pointer while typing, your mouse pointer will hide like this. Okay, while typing you will not get your mouse pointer. And then next is the show location of pointer when I press the control key. Sometimes you are not able to see where the mouse pointer is on the screen. If you check the show location of pointer when I press the control key, this option if you will select in the visibility, under the visibility, then and press the control key, circle of decreasing size will blink on your screen showing the location of the mouse pointer. There are 3 more tabs is there. Again, one is the wheel, then second one it is setting for wheel setting. Scroll mouse is having a scroll wheel. For that setting it is the wheel option, and it is the hardware tab is there. Again, it is for selecting the setting of the hardware. You can see here in a wheel tab, roll the wheel 1 notch to scroll the following number of lines at a time. In this way you can set here setting of the change the setting of the wheels also. Okay, after that click on the apply and then click on the OK. Now your mouse you will get like this. Is it clear?